way, this Borno means the Lake of Noah. You know, that's the meaning of Borno. National Geographic Magazine, 1918, volume 32, page 395. So let's read from that document. Look at in this kingdom. Now, this is their Western world's proof. Their resources. So he said, in this kingdom of Amenuam, there enters a branch of the river Euphrates, Niger. And it says this river has 3 branches, etc. You know, the way it goes to the river state Nigeria and all that, the rivers are divided. And it says here that which are very populous, referring evidently to the river Benue, a tributary of the Niger River. So he's saying here that there's a river that is called Euphrates there. This is a completely different resource. It's not the same one as the other one, you see. So it's not like one person just making things up. This is a completely different document to that one. I'll just stay on that Euphrates because it's very important. By the way,
Genesis 2.
Africa, Nigeria, so that is the Garden of Eden. That whole place is the Garden of Eden.
You mean the whole of Africa or just...
Generally. Do you know the meaning of Al-Kable land? Have you heard it before?
Al-Kable land is an ancient name for Africa that means mother of mankind.
Or
Garden of Eden.
Yes. So they've messed up that garden. And that's where the 4 rivers are. Euphrates, Tigris, Idrikel, Pison. I mean, those 4 rivers. That's it. Right there.
So why did they change everything?
Because they need your land. They need your resources.